To start copy trading on Hotcoin, simply go to More, then under the Trade section, tap Copy Trading to enter the dedicated page. Here you can view your profits and browse through a list of traders. You can also click the button on the right to filter traders by rank, trade type, or currency portfolio. Click on any trader's profile to see detailed performance data, including risk level and profit rate. Before choosing to copy, make sure the trader's style matches your own risk tolerance. Remember, long-term stable returns are more sustainable than short-term high gains. It's always wise to review a trader's historical strategies before starting. Copy trading allows users to replicate the decisions of successful traders, benefiting from their market insights. By following professional traders, users can reduce risk, enhance profitability, and learn professional trading strategies, achieving diversification while saving time. Every expert's trade is automatically mirrored to your account, hands-free and efficient. When you're ready to follow a trader, click Copy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then tap Confirm to start. The system will automatically synchronize the trader's positions to your account in real time. No manual action needed. Additionally, you can always check your order details and monitor progress on the copy trading page by clicking here. Even though trades are automatic, it's still recommended to regularly review your account and adjust your strategy when necessary to maintain a healthy balance between profit and risk. If you wish to stop copying a trader, simply tap Cancel Copy, and it will take effect immediately. Copy trading on Hotcoin makes investing smarter, simpler, and effortless, helping you follow top traders and never miss an opportunity. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.